All my thoughts are running around inside my head. Emotions keep coming, they're keeping me from thinking straight. Thought it would be different when I got my things in place. Stuck in this commotion, how come I ain't past this?
Hey loves, it's Brianna. Thank you so much for watching today's video and for subscribing. I wore my little spring sweater set today because we are diving right into some spring cleaning, so I hope that you get tons of cleaning motivation. Tying my hair back. All right, let's get to it.
I wanted me to be somebody else.
Let me know in the comments, have you started your spring cleaning yet? Or are you looking for more cleaning motivation? Because hopefully you get a ton from today's video. We're starting in my master bathroom where I want to do a thorough clean of this space, a super good scrub down of the shower and the tub and the sinks.
Really made an effort, promised I would change, but something stayed the same. Wanted to do better, wanted to be great, but something stayed the same. Something stayed the same. Start a life in the country, I could say yes to that. Whatever way you want me, I'll learn it all and I'll adapt, even if I changed up.
Wow, I'm just blown away at how freaking amazing it smells in here. Like, oh, this stuff is so legitimately awesome, especially for spring cleaning.
I don't think we got it. I tried to change the things you never liked. Try to make this better, make this right, but we're the same, even though I changed. Really made an effort, promised I would change, but something stayed the same. Wanted to do better, wanted to be great, but something stayed the same.
And my least favorite cleaning chore, cleaning the toilet. What is your least favorite thing to clean? Let me know down in the comments.
I can change the way I am, the way I talk, the way I stand. It doesn't really matter, cause I'll still be the same. I can change.
And if you've got a load of laundry to throw in today, throw it in with me.
Doesn't really matter, cause I'll still be the same.
I just made that red bean chili from Thrive for my lunch. It's so good. Added some avocado, sour cream, and some cheese. I'm gonna have it with the chips too. And a huge thank you to Thrive Market for sponsoring today's video. Thrive Market is an online membership grocery store, and they're on a mission to make healthy living easy and affordable for everyone. What I love about Thrive Market for our family is the convenience factor and the cost saving factor. So all these groceries right here, I saved $38 on my order. This year so far, I think I've saved $75 on all of my orders. And I love the convenience that it is online. I can set up a frequency like you do every 1 week, every 2 weeks, every month, however often you would like your groceries delivered. And it just is such a great way for me to continue getting healthy snacks for my kids that they really enjoy. So here's what I got in this month's Thrive order. Actually, I should say I do every 2 weeks. So every 2 weeks, this is my Thrive order. My kids love, this is their applesauce. It's their organic applesauce pouches with the probiotics. The strawberry flavor is the one they said that they like the best. My girlfriend Megan turned me on to this cereal. I actually really enjoy it too, but so do the kids. And I love that it has protein too. They love these Annie's cheddar bunnies, and I love that they're in the snack pouches. It just makes it so easy for packing lunches or sending in snacks to school. We love the lesser evil popcorn. So this is what we usually eat when we're at home, but I also get the snack bags for the older two kids. I love for breakfast, this is the Purely Elizabeth. It's oatmeal with collagen in it. The vanilla pecan is really, really good. I like getting these chilies for my lunch, and this whenever I make waffles or pancakes for the kids, the Kodiak Power Cake Mix, because there's lots of extra protein in it. These have kind of replaced the Pringle chips, but they're really good. My kids love these. Again, on all these groceries, I think I paid, it was around $50, I'll put it on the screen, and saved $38 on my order. And for every annual membership bought, an annual membership goes to a family in need. And as of February, this is great, they started accepting the SNAP EBT cards as well. So I just love you know, supporting a company that is truly making healthy living accessible and affordable for everybody. So if you go to the link down in my description box, I'll have the link for Thrive where you will save 30% off of your first order, and you get a free $60 gift with your order as well. So be sure, use that link down in my description box and check out Thrive Market for you and your family. All right, let's get these groceries put away.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, really wanna know.
And then of course, there are always dishes to do in this house. So if you've got dishes to put away or dishes to wash, let's do the dishes together.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up.
And let's take that incredible Cabin Queen multi-surface cleaner. We're gonna wipe down the table, all the countertops, so it smells fresh and clean in here for spring.
If I will ever figure out where the road goes, even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
And this is our brand new scent for spring cleaning, Beachy Clean. It smells like fresh ocean air. It's got some citrus notes, some cotton notes. It just smells so fresh and clean. It's the perfect spring cleaning scent. It will carry you from spring to summer. I mean, you could use this year round, but it's amazing. So there's the room freshener, there's the multi-surface cleaner, there's the hand soap, and I'll show you the candle. It's so cute. Here's the candle. It says Life's a Beach, which you can order today on cabinqueen.com. What do you see out there? What are you looking at outside? What's out there, pretty girl? I don't know why I let my office get this way, but we're gonna change that today.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
Okay, fast pause in the cleaning because I'm just full on crying right now because my grandma had sent over, like every year for Christmas when I was a kid, we would do these like make your own calendars. And it's just the cutest old pictures, but like this is what actually made me start to cry. She sent over some of like her older pictures and they're just like so iconic. I don't know why, like as soon as I see them, I just like I'm crying. Okay, so that's her at the beach and it looks like there's like a little tiny kitten. I don't know if you see that. I just think it's so sweet. This one, why did I just start crying seeing this? Like I feel like that is just wow, like she was such a babe, like so iconic. And then I believe this was all the women from her church group and she's the one, I don't know if it's gonna focus, like look at how cute her outfit is. I love that. And then, sorry, my camera got blurry. This is her and my grandpa. So this is Gigi and Papa on their wedding day. It was May 5th. And then this was their senior prom. Look at how cute they were. I'm crying. I came to peek at the pictures too. They're just so cute. I love that one. Me and my sister with my dad. And then I thought the Halloween ones were so funny because if you saw when I went to California, I went horseback riding with my best friend's like little sister. So that's Ashley who I went horseback riding with, and that's Bridget. And that's Kaylee. Just like so cute, all these old pictures. Oh my goodness. I loved this costume so much. My mom helped to tie-dye that and made the headband. We tie-dyed it too, and I made like the tie Beanie Baby tag that we attached to the headband. It was the Garcia bear. So many good memories.
Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
I am running out of time per usual, but I really did, like there was a massive chunk of stuff here that I got throughout, decluttered. I'm just leaving those there for right now because some of the stuff is things coming up that I need to keep on hand to work for videos. So I'm gonna vacuum everything in here fast and then we have some laundry to fold.
This boy on my mind that I can't live without, oh his eyes are killing me.
And I've got a bunch of laundry to fold, so if you've got laundry camping out in the dryer, that's usually where mine hangs out, or hanging out in a laundry basket, let's fold it together today and get it done. I know earlier I said that toilets is my least favorite cleaning chore, but I think folding clothes and putting them away is the second least favorite cleaning task on my list.
I can't get enough, think about him all the time. I can get him off my mind. Oh, I want him to be mine, to be mine. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah.
And Hey woke up from his nap, so he came and wanted to help me with folding all these towels. So I had a little helper with me.
Even if we stay in bed, my heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him, nah, 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 nah. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's dark, when it's dark. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I wanna na 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 now.
I'd asked over on Instagram what your video requests were for spring, and the most requested video was day in the life. So I'm gonna do some more of those, and also routine videos were highly requested, so I'll try to do an updated version of my morning and evening routine. And if there is anything else you really want to see for this spring, please let me know down in the comments.
I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want.
That's nice. The washer sounds great. That's it for today's Spring Clean With Me 2024 video. If there's any other videos that you would like to see this spring, let me know down in the comments below. But thanks for watching and for subscribing. Bye, love.